Spirulina, a nutrient-rich blue-green algae, has gained popularity as a superfood in recent years. But what exactly are the health benefits of this unique organism? Let's dive in and find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore the incredible health benefits of spirulina. But first, what is spirulina? Spirulina is a type of cyanobacteria or blue-green algae that grows in both fresh and saltwater environments. It's been consumed for centuries, dating back to the Aztecs, who used it as a source of nutrition and energy. Spirulina is composed of around 60–70% protein by weight and is a rich source of essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source. It also contains various vitamins, including B-complex vitamins, B1, B2, B3, B6, and B9, vitamin C, vitamin D, and vitamin E. Additionally, spirulina is packed with minerals such as iron, magnesium, potassium, and calcium. One of the most impressive aspects of spirulina is its nutritional profile. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and protein. Spirulina is rich in vitamins like B1, B2, B3, B6, and B9, as well as minerals such as iron, magnesium, and potassium. But perhaps its most notable feature is its high protein content. Gram for gram, spirulina contains more protein than beef, chicken, or soybeans. Health benefits of spirulina. 1. Nutrient density. First off, spirulina is incredibly nutrient-dense, making it a great addition to any diet, especially for those who may be lacking certain vitamins and minerals. Its nutritional density is particularly beneficial for individuals following vegetarian or vegan diets, as it provides essential nutrients often found in animal products. Spirulina is also a source of gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, a type of omega-6 fatty acid with anti-inflammatory properties. GLA is not commonly found in plant-based foods, making spirulina a valuable addition for those seeking to reduce inflammation in the body. Plus, spirulina is known for its powerful antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress in the body, which can lead to chronic diseases and aging. 2. Antioxidant properties. Spirulina contains various antioxidants, including phycocyanin, chlorophyll, beta-carotene, and vitamin E. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to the development of diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. Consuming spirulina regularly may help protect against oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Additionally, its antioxidant properties may support healthy aging and promote longevity. Some studies suggest that spirulina may also have anti-inflammatory effects, which can be beneficial for those with conditions like arthritis or allergies. 3. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders. Spirulina contains compounds that have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body, such as phycocyanin and chlorophyll. Phycocyanin, the pigment that gives spirulina its blue-green color, has been studied for its anti-inflammatory properties. It inhibits the production of inflammatory molecules, thereby reducing inflammation and protecting against inflammatory diseases. 4. Immune system support. Another remarkable benefit of spirulina is its ability to support the immune system. Spirulina contains polysaccharides, which are complex carbohydrates that have been shown to enhance immune function by increasing the production of white blood cells, including T cells and natural killer cells. Additionally, spirulina's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties help strengthen the body's defense mechanisms against pathogens and infections. By promoting a healthy immune response, spirulina may help reduce the risk of infections and support overall immune health. 5. Cardiovascular health. Several studies have suggested that spirulina may have positive effects on cardiovascular health. It has been shown to lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve markers of cardiovascular risk. Spirulina contains phycocyanin, which has been found to have vasodilatory effects, meaning it relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow. This can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of hypertension and related cardiovascular conditions. Additionally, spirulina's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties may help prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which is a key factor in the development of atherosclerosis or hardening of the arteries. 6. Weight management. Due to its high protein content and low calorie density, spirulina may aid in weight management and promote satiety. Protein is known to be more filling than carbohydrates or fats, and consuming foods rich in protein can help curb appetite and reduce calorie intake. Furthermore, spirulina's nutritional density provides essential nutrients without adding excess calories, making it a suitable option for those looking to maintain a healthy weight or support weight loss efforts. And let's not forget about its potential benefits for athletes. Spirulina has been shown to enhance endurance and reduce muscle fatigue, thanks to its high protein and iron content. 7. Athletic performance. Spirulina is a popular supplement among athletes and fitness enthusiasts due to its potential performance-enhancing effects. Its high protein content supports muscle growth and repair, while its iron content helps deliver oxygen to muscles, improving endurance and reducing fatigue. Several studies have demonstrated that spirulina supplementation can lead to improvements in exercise performance, such as increased time to exhaustion and reduced perceived exertion. These benefits make spirulina a valuable addition to the diets of athletes and anyone engaged in regular physical activity. How to incorporate spirulina into your diet. So now that we know about all the amazing health benefits of spirulina, how can we incorporate it into our diet? 1. Smoothies and juices. One of the easiest ways to consume spirulina is by adding it to smoothies or juices. Simply blend a teaspoon or two of spirulina powder with your favorite fruits, vegetables, and liquid of choice for a nutritious and energizing drink. 2. Energy balls and bars. Spirulina can also be incorporated into homemade energy balls or bars for a convenient and portable snack. Combine spirulina powder with nuts, seeds, dates, and other ingredients, then roll into balls or press into bars for a healthy on-the-go treat. 3. Salad dressings and sauces. You can boost the nutritional content of your salads, dressings, and sauces by adding spirulina. Mix spirulina powder with olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and herbs to create a vibrant and nutrient-rich dressing for your salads or vegetable dishes. 4. Soups and broths. Spirulina can be stirred into soups, broths, and stews to add a nutritional boost. Simply sprinkle spirulina powder into your favorite soup recipes during cooking for an extra dose of vitamins, minerals, and protein. 5. Baked goods. Get creative in the kitchen by adding spirulina to baked goods such as muffins, pancakes, and bread. Spirulina's vibrant green color adds a fun twist to your favorite recipes while providing a nutritional punch. Well, that's all for today's video. I hope you learned something new about the health benefits of spirulina and how to incorporate it into your diet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.